yes, definitely first I will start off with a very basic foundation. Now, this is summer. I do not want it to do very overdo with the makeup because I don't think that's very essential because anyway we are not going home, like going out of home, and I think we all are staying inside. I'm just gonna adjust this. Okay, so we are all staying inside, so I do not think there is any need of very high coverage foundation and all of that. And again, depend on your skin type and what is the basic requirement of your skin. That you can do it. I'm just starting out with the Lakme basic foundation. Today I'm not using Swiss Beauty foundation because I don't think that is pretty much required. Always take it in the back of the hand, do not take it in the palm of the hand, because I mean, I'm sure you guys are aware that our palm of the hand is pretty much more unhygienic rather than the back of the hand, because you know most of the infections and everything happens in the palm of the hand. So yeah, I'm not going to use any makeup sponge or anything. I'm just going to make it very simple because it's summer and I just wanted to make it a simple summery makeup look. So I'm just going to dab off the foundation. I do not use any concealer. If you have been following my channel for a longer time, you will be knowing it. I use the foundation as the concealer. You can definitely use concealer. That is completely your choice, but I do not use concealer to that extent. And yeah, you can even use brushes to blend your foundation. That is pretty much you can do it, but I generally do not do whatever foundation is remaining after doing. I just tap it over this area. This is also a good makeup trick, to be very honest, because many of the teenagers who are watching the video, I'm sure they do not need concealer to that extent, but you can easily use your foundation to conceal. Like I do wear specs. I'm kind of chashmish, so I do have marks over here, I do have marks here, I have little pimple marks over here, so I just kind of cover them. Do not drag your foundation, any foundation like this. Just try to just make it this way and just tap it, so it gives pretty high and good coverage. I'm not sure this is which shade. Yeah, this is the shade number Natural Ivory. So yeah, and definitely do not forget your neck area, because maybe your face color is different and your neck color is different. Then I don't think the makeup is that it doesn't look that flawless, to be honest. And whatever is remaining at the back of your hand, you can just mix it in the back of the hand. That is also something which is again a very good trick and tip for the makeup. So I'm done with the base, pretty much done. I'm just gonna set this with a good setting powder. You can use any. And by the way, there is another giveaway announcement. I have a lot of summer essentials that I got from Big Bazaar before lockdown, because I thought to stock up few products, because yeah, obviously everywhere there is a lockdown, so I kind of got a lot of products. I will be talking in the next video about this. This is a lot of products, all like skincare and all. So there will be another giveaway number 2 of summer essentials. So whatever, or skincare, and it will also complete a little makeup. So yes, that will be giveaway number 2. Giveaway number 1 announcement will be on the next next Sunday, which is today. I'm filming this video on 2nd of May, so probably 9th May or 10th May. I will definitely confirm next Sunday. Whatever is the next Sunday, that will be the giveaway number 1 announcement. I have delayed the announcement of the winners because everywhere there's a pandemic going on, and the shipment and everything will be a little hassle because of the courier. So that is there, but again, giveaway will be happening. There will be the winners. There will be 3 winners, and yes, as I promised, they will get the products if they win and they follow all the rules. So I'm setting my entire this foundation with Naleo 2-in-1 Prime. Now you must be wondering that Ritu, you not used any primer. To be honest, I already sat my skin with moisturizing and primer, everything on, so I was already moisturized for my skin, so I did not use primer. So I'm just doing a light makeup for the shoot for the giveaway number 2. So this is the makeup look for that. This is a beautiful luxurious packaging of Neon Prime and a prime and fine matte pressed powder. This is the one. So I am also going to show in this video a beautiful makeup look, how you can get a beautiful eye makeup right in the pandemic. So guys, I hope you guys are all doing safe in this pandemic, because see, I do understand that I'm making the video in pandemic just because to clean out the boredom that all the people are having sitting at home, and also this thing inspires me a lot to do such videos, because I know people are stuck up in this pandemic. Everybody is sitting at home, and what to do. The people who are students, how much to study, and also those who are working like me in the weekend, they also need some kind of motivation, and I'm very sure everybody sitting at home needs motivation. So that's the reason is all behind all the video. So it comes in this two kind of, one is shimmer, one is a normal compact. So both the things are there. Now I have already set it. Now it's a time to contour because yeah, my face is a little fluffy. I will definitely be needing to contour, and I'm using this Makeup Studio by Shivana Colors. This is the first ever contour and the blush palette I've ever purchased, and it's been with me for such a long time. So I'm just gonna take this, and I've made a separate video of how to apply contour, guys. So if you are a beginner and if you really wanted to know how to apply contour like a pro, then definitely check out that video, guys. That will definitely be helpful of how to apply the contour. That will definitely be there, and you can also get a little bit of idea for those who are beginners, and yeah, that will give you a little glimpse. I will do a little contour. Actually, I usually do a more contour because my face is little on a heavier side, but today let me keep it very simple. Okay, so yes, I did the contour part, and also after baking you can also do the forehead and definitely the nose contour. That is also something which is very important, guys. Those who do not have sharp nose, they can definitely go for contour. This is not the best thing for the nose contour, so I'm just gonna change up my brush to this, and I'm just gonna hold my brush like this. You can also use contour stick, guys. That can also be done. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use the other highlighter also. So today, watch this video till the end, because I will be clearly showing up in the giveaway number 1. First lucky winner will get what product, second lucky winner will get what product. I will definitely show in the end of the video. Yes, so do stay tuned for that as well. Watch this video till the end to actually get to know what is the lucky winner is gonna get. So I am not seeing my highlighter, my favorite highlighter, anywhere. So okay, I'm just gonna use the stick highlighter. This is the highlighter, and I've rarely used this. So I'm gonna blend a little bit of everything. I'm gonna get my highlighter, and then we will just continue with this makeup look. So I've done for both the eyes, and then for the transition shade, I'm just gonna pick up a beautiful shade from this beautiful palette. I'm just gonna show you. This is the palette from H&H. I've used it so much that I kind of tend to damage it. So I did damage 2 of them. So I'm gonna use this palette. This is supremely amazing highlighter and eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna show you how this beautiful palette looks like, and if you really wanted to know from where to purchase, comment me down below. I will give you the link of from where I got it. There is one more trick. If you really want this to stick on properly, you can just take the brush, press it with a toner, any of your favorite toner, or the best thing is take makeup fixer, brush it off, and then pick up the product, dust off the excess, and start doing that inner. So I did not use makeup fixer, so it's not coming up. So I'm just gonna pick up the shade from in the hand, in the fingers, and I'm just gonna apply this. Try and use this finger more of like this one, but you know, because that will give you a better I'll come make it a little closer for you to check. Okay, it's very closer. So the same shade I'm just picking it. This is the shade that I'm picking it. And also then you can take this sort of brush and kind of blend it pretty good. That is something can definitely be done. Okay, so that's in how I did it. So yes, that's it. And now I'm gonna blend a little bit more by blending both of the eyeshadow. So again, I'm coming back to this palette. I'm just gonna pick up the product and I'm just gonna do this a little more. Okay. This is a more lighter. Okay, so that's pretty much. I'm gonna blend it a little more. Yeah, that's pretty much. Now I will change the brush to a cleaner one, and I'm just gonna do the highlighter part a little bit more because of the eyeshadow. The highlighter is gone. So again, I'm picking up this damaged shade. The shade is really damaged. So I'm just gonna do this one to make it a little more look cleaner. Okay, perfect. And then I'm just gonna do the inner corner. So for the inner corner, you have to change your brush and have to take a brush which is little smaller, again with the other shade. So done with the inner corner as well. Next, I'm just gonna do my brows because the brows are really looking undone. So yes, I'm gonna do that also. So for that, I will take a palette because I did forgot to sit with the eyebrow palette. Oh, I did have a pencil. Okay, eyebrow pencil. So yes, this is a pencil. By the way, I have made a separate video if you do not have eyebrow pencil and you just have a basic palette with the brown, that also you can do, and you can fill your brows. So that is also something that I have already shown up with my videos. I'm not sure how many of you guys are actually following all my videos, but yes, it's high a request that you follow all my videos because that will also help you to achieve the same makeup look that I kind of achieved, and you guys will also become pro in this lockdown if you really wanted to achieve in something. So yes, I did with my brows as well, which was pretty good. Then next thing, I'm just gonna brush my brows. That is very important. So take your brows outward and then curve it definitely does the same. Okay, so I'm done with my brows, and then definitely I'm gonna do with the eyeliner. Now for a change, I'm just gonna apply a different eyeliner, and I am applying the NY base eyeliner. I have a lot of stuffs to give it. That's what I can, see in here. The colors are like huge. I have so many collections for a giveaway. This is the bundle. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my other channel. Follow me on Instagram. That's a very important tool. I know many of you guys are unable to follow me on Facebook because of the profile lock and all of this stuff that I completely understand. But please do follow me in Facebook if that's possible. Definitely follow me on Instagram, and like this video, share the video, and yeah, the rules will be definitely in the description box. So I'm gonna take a green liner for a change. This is NY base Island liner. So this is the liner. I'm just gonna take this green one liner because I did not use it and I wanted to use it for the longest time. So let's use it. Beautiful eyeliner, to be very honest. If you know how to apply that, it's beautiful. The wand is so good. Let's start it. You guys must be wondering, I did not use mascara. Yes, I will be using the mascara as well, but that too after the eyeliner, because I think without eyeliner I can't function of my eye makeup and everything. So that's the reason I'm just gonna do my eyeliner first, and then I'll do the mascara part. Okay, so the upper one is pretty much done. Sometimes it happens that a lot of powders and everything may fall out. So just be very careful whenever you're working with your eyes. The lower lash line also, I'm just going to apply the same green one. And that's pretty much. So I will let it dry because it's a liquid liner. So make sure you let it dry and do not do a lot of wings. So I will let it dry.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.